Hi everyone, my name is Juliana Roa. Task 5 Pronunciation Practice. Number 1. Reading. Read the following text. Try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind rhythm, intonation, and stress. Teacher protest. The protest lasts on 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more stuff in schools. Schools say that there is not money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money in different things. Number 2. Minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds might confuse English learners, then pronounce them having in mind is this variation of the sounds. Cat, bat. White, white. Right, rat. Cat, kite, night. Take, take. Coat, coat. Pin, bean. Till, pill. Fish, fish. They, pay. Dig, pig. Deal, pill. Duck, duck, book. They, bake. Tall, cold. Tool, cool. Safe, cape. Dot, quad. Tone, gold. Tie, guide. Tap, gap. Tool, ghoul. Tag, gag. Table, gable. Team, theme. Tail, tail. Tone, tone. Tick, big. Number 3. Intonation and stress. Read the following sentence having in mind the suprasegmental future. Stand miles with three stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. 10 miles with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. 10 miles with 5 stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special question, following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interstice, politeness, raising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, raising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Do she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question falling or written intonation. You don't know them, do you? They have found it half day. You were late, were you? I should do it, should I? Commands falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request, raising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence. Full intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address. Written intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pen, and pencil. Responses. I can, she is. He will, you should. I can, he didn't. Thank you.